With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, the question given here is, this is the compound given, that is Na2 PtBrCl chlorine iodide, that is I, and CN cyanide. Now we have to tell number of geometrical isomers, optical isomers, and number of ions produced in aqueous solution, and then find the value of x, y, z, x plus y plus z. So we will first of all see that this structure given is our sodium. It will break into Na2 plus, and with that it will break into platinum PtBrClI and cyanide 2 minus. Now this is the ionic sphere in which it will break. This is anionic sphere, this is cation. Now as it is in bracket, this is known as sphere and this is anionic sphere. Now the structure of it would be, the central atom is platinum, and then 4 different groups are attached to it: bromine, chlorine, that is cyanide, C, triple bond N, and then one is iodide. This is the compound's structure. Okay, 2 minus, and with that Na2 plus would be present also. Now we know that here the compound given, they are asking in first geometrical isomers. Geometrical isomers, we have to see, as it is planar in structure, this is planar because all the 4 structures are, all the 4 attachment, that is bromine, chlorine, cyanide, and iodide, is present in a same plane where the central atom is present. So this is planar. Now we will first of all try to, for knowing the geometrical isomers, we will first of all fix any one of the bond and rotate the other bonds. So the structures would be something, if suppose I'll be changing the position of bromine first of all, so I'll be showing platinum, and here it will come chlorine, bromine, cyanide again, and here it would be now iodine. This is our second one. Now again 2 negative and sodium 2 plus would, as it is present. Now one more could be formed, that would be, I'll show the geometrical isomer to you. Now here would be bromine, iodine, cyanide, that means C triple bond N, and one also more chlorine. Okay, so these 3 possible isomers or geometrical isomers are only possible. Now you cannot place anywhere else the chlorine or anywhere else. The structure will automatically be converted into the same one. We can also give that the respective positions of chlorine with respect to platinum, cyanide, bromide, and iodide cannot be placed anywhere else except these 3 structures. If we will place, suppose we can say that chlorine is not present at this position. You can see that 3 structures I have drawn. Chlorine is not present over here, but when we will draw the chlorine over here, definitely it will come in the same surrounding of cyanide, bromide, that it is already present over in the first one. So we have to as well as see the surrounding atoms also, means the surrounding atoms also. Now just for a rough structure, that if any compound has 4 different structures or 4 different atoms attached to it, central atom, then it would have 3 geometrical isomers. Now why? Because one bond would be fixed and only 3 rest of the bonds could be rotated or could change their position and form the geometrical isomers. So from here we can see that we have got the value of x is equals to 3. Okay, we have got x is equals to 3. Now they are asking about the optical isomer. Optical isomer. Now one thing we know that as told, this compound is planar, and if any compound is planar, we can see the plane of symmetry is present in the planar compound. And when any compound has plane of symmetry, they do not exhibit or show optical activity. And if any compound is not showing optical activity only, then how can optical isomers possible? So this compound do not show optical isomers, so y is equals to 0. Now they are asking the number of ions produced in aqueous solution. So we will see that. Suppose we are taking the given compound in any aqueous solution, that is PtBrClI and cyanide. So if we add this compound in any aqueous solution, or we make its aqueous solution, this compound's aqueous solution, it will break into its ions, and the ions would be 2 moles of Na plus. That means Na plus, 2 moles of Na plus would be seen, and with that we will get an ionic sphere of platinum, bromide, chlorine, iodide and cyanide minus 2 minus. So now we have to count the number of ions produced. So number of ions are 2 Na, that means Na, one Na plus and another Na plus, and this complete negative sphere. So we have all total 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 ions are produced, so Z value is equals to 3. Now here I have written 2 Na plus means 2 moles of Na plus, because Na could not show 2 plus, so this Na2 plus written means 2 moles of Na plus. Okay, so complete 2 plus I have written. Now seeing that the value of Z has came, now what we have to calculate, that x plus y plus z is equals to, so x is 3, y is optical active isomers, so 0, and z is our number of ions produced, that means it is 6. So answer is 6. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.